a salt ice sculpture.
Salt ice sculpture. Salt ice sculpture.
Salt ice sculpture. So stay tuned. So what do we need?
We need a tray. You can also use this tray.
And what's in the tray? What's in the ice tray?
Ice.
Yep, ice. Some frozen ice.
It has water in it.
Okay. What is that? Aluminum tray.
Salt.
Salt.
Food coloring.
Food coloring.
And some water.
And water. All right, let's get
started.
All right, Corban, so what's the first step?
First step. Oh, the tip.
Okay, what's your tip?
That we already poured this water in the ice.
Oh, yeah, so we poured that
overnight in the freezer.
Yes, okay, so we poured this water into that tray.
Step is to dump this out.
Okay, so that's the next step. So first you gotta freeze your ice overnight in some type of tray. All right, let's go to the next step.
Now I'm putting the ice in the tray from this.
All right.
And I already got 2 done.
All right.
Okay, let's see the third one.
Okay, so Corban is pouring the salt on the ice here.
Just hurry, because it might melt.
Yep, because
If you check out our other experiment, that salt melts it faster than water.
Oh yeah, so if we have an experiment where we're melting ice with salt, so we'll put that in the description box.
Yeah. After this video, go see it.
All right, let's go to the next step. Right, so now Corban's gonna put the food coloring on top of the ice, and he's gonna make his colorful structures.
Got red now.
Ooh, look at that.
The ice, look.
Oh yeah.
It's breaking.
Yeah.
And it's going down. Green.
Woo! Yellow and blue make green.
Well, the green's going over the yellow.
Look at that. Look at the side of it.
It's a rainbow.
Yeah.
Now I'll get red. Cheese. There's 2 more ices left. There's a rainbow in the tray.
Oh yeah, there is a rainbow in the tray.
And there's a dot, and there's a ping pong effect happening with the top. Right?
Yes.
Look at that! We made a rainbow.
Yeah, our salt ice sculptures look like a rainbow. Very good.
Today we're going to be doing the ice colored art experiment.
Yes, for art project, right? Right, so stay tuned. All right, Corban, so what do we need?
An ice tray.
All right, so we have the ice tray, and that's actually the under the sea ice tray, and we will link that in the description box of where you can get that. It has all types of sea animals. Yeah, all types of sea animals.
Seahorse, a whale, a dolphin, an octopus, a fish, another fish, and a turtle like Tolly.
Yes. All right, what else do you need?
A paper plate. Food coloring.
All right, paper plate, food coloring. And then the last thing, paintbrushes. All right, let's get started. What's the first step?
To put the ice on the tray.
All right, we're gonna put the ice on the tray. All right, so those are our under the sea animals. All right, let's go to the next step. All right, so right now Corban is putting drops of food coloring on this plate here. All right, and then we will go
to the next step.
Corban is now painting the sea animal. So he's gonna dip the paintbrush into the food coloring here, and he's just gonna kind of block the the sea animals here.
Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. Look at this.
Ooh, blue. All right.
For a blue ray.
And that's a simple art project you can do with ice. It's looking good.
It's going around the cracks, and it's gonna go into the animal. Dot 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 dot.
All right, got a variety of colors here. Blue, green, and black. Looks nice.
I'm getting all the colors. I'm just gonna go for this one. Wow, look at his tentacles. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, and remember to subscribe.